Hi, I'm Ben Messenger for Waste Management World. We're at the RWM show in Birmingham. I'm on the CIWM stand with Steve Lee. Steve, I understand you've been doing some work on resource security. Could you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, you can see the waste industry starting to change around you. You can feel it in this exhibition. There's new blood, new ideas, not just about being an industry that copes with other people's waste. This is an industry that's getting onto the front foot, talking to people about how they can be much more resource efficient and increasingly for the future, resource secure. I'm going to be taking a slightly light-hearted look at it later on when I speak at the Leaders Theatre. But the theme of my presentation is, I've never met a poor dentist. And the idea is that 50 years ago, you would only have gone to visit a dentist if he was going to extract your problem for you and throw it away. Then they started to drill and fill, to repair. Then they started to find other ways of keeping your teeth healthy, and now they find ways of keeping your teeth at work. And why is it any different for resource managers? We're about keeping people's resources at work. We will change over the next 10, 20, 30 years. Can you imagine a 2050 world when there's going to be 10 billion mouths to feed on this planet? We're going to have such a radically different view to how we value and manage our resources. And our industry has got to go on that journey. What a fabulous opportunity to be offered. We need skills, we need new resources, we need new infrastructure, and we need active participation with all of our customers at work and at home. But what a journey to go on. It's a brilliant business.
So is there any particular materials you see as being particularly opportunistic for the industry to target?
Well, at the minute, you can see that the industry is coping with high volume, high weight materials. Aggregates are obvious: wood, paper, plastic, cardboard, metals. Increasingly, you will see our industry moving into not just helping people to produce less waste, but some waste will always be inevitable, and it will have very valuable materials in it. Not just the rare earths that the Daily Mail likes to talk about, but all sorts of metals. Where is the copper and the lead and zinc that we need in the future going to come from? And the interesting thing about the word resources is it keeps opening outwards, because if you ask me now what I mean about resources, I also mean energy, I mean water, I mean construction materials and wood and biomass. So our world is just expanding outwards, and you can see that happening in the exhibition around you.
Well, Steve, it's a subject that's close to our readers' hearts. I'm sure they'll be delighted to see some of your views. Thanks for your time.
No problem. Lovely to talk to you.